Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're just going to dive right in and we're going to play with some new holiday palettes from the Balm Cosmetics. I'm super excited. I did receive these in PR and they sent over a whole bunch of other holiday things that I will be doing reviews on. These really cute liquid lipstick sets. So I do want to film a lip swatch video. Say a prayer for my lips. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want a review on these. Let's go ahead and play with these palettes. I will give a quick swatches and my thoughts towards the end. I'm doing this kind of backwards. Hope that's all right with you guys because I just don't want to waste any time today. So we have the Balm and the Beautiful episode 1 and episode 2. And both of these are very kind of like wearable everyday palettes. And here's just a quick overview of what they look like. Let's just have some fun. I already primed my eyes with the Beauty Crop Stuck On You eyeshadow primer. I'm wearing the Mary Luminizer, an old favorite. I'm sure a lot of you have this highlighter in your collection. She's been well loved. I've hit major pan, and it's still to this day beautiful highlight. So we had to give an homage to the Balm and wear good old Mary Lou. Alright, so from the episode 1 palette, I'm going to take Chick Flick, which is just this kind of nude beige color. I already primed my eyes and everything, but I do want to kind of tone down that color a little bit. I don't know if you guys remember, but probably like, what was it, like 8 years ago when the Balm was like a big thing? You know, the Mary Luminizer, their bronzers or eyeshadow palettes, which I don't know if I still have those. I think I got rid of them. The Nude Tude palette, you guys remember that one? Loved that palette. I really love the Balm's eyeshadow formula. I think it's really, really good. I'm gonna take my BH Pro 5 brush and dip into the shade Makeup Artist. Not me. I am definitely not a makeup artist at all. If you've never tried the Balm eyeshadows before, you are really missing out. Look at that. Whoa. You have to be kind of careful. They're pigmented. They're smooth. I already know I'm going to get a lot of use out of these palettes because I really love their formula already. I'm very familiar with the brand. It's not like the first time I'm using their products. So I'm just putting this through the crease. Really nice warm brown color. Oh yeah, these they blend so nicely. If you're looking for some good eyeshadow palettes with great formula, just really good everyday colors. I wouldn't say the Balm is known for doing like outrageous, bright, colorful eyeshadow palettes. You know, it's not everyone's cup of tea. So if you're looking for good neutral or warm palettes, these are definitely perfect. Hey, do you have to go potty? You want to go outside? Great. Looks like I gotta take the dog potty. Alright, I just had to take the dog out and she didn't poop. I'm trying to get her to poop. It's actually currently snowing outside and she doesn't like pooping in the rain or the snow. She hates it. So let's hope she doesn't have a dookie inside while I'm filming, because that would just not be good. I think I'm going to take from the episode 2 palette the shade Trolley Car. Another really nice matte, but this one definitely leans a little bit more like neutral. It's like a taupey brown. This J. Kissa J2 brush I think will work just fine. And we're gonna deepen up that crease. Oh wow, look at that. Woo! Those colors are just so nice. Alright, so now that we laid that color down, I'm gonna go back to that other shade we started out with, Makeup Artist. Just use that to kind of buff out the edges here. I think I'll just take Trolley Car and just take that directly on the e.l.f. contour brush. And we're just gonna press that all along. You know what? I'm just gonna put it all on the lower lash line. Sounds like a good idea. I'm gonna take Cliffhanger. It's a really deep matte brown on the e.l.f. crease brush. So I'm just literally tapping this on where I want it to go, and I'm really focusing it close to that outer V area, and then I'm just going to do small circular motions, but I'm keeping it right there in that area. And you just, you know, if you want to add more, add more. If you want to add less, add less. I'm going to add a little bit more on this side. Going back in with trolley car. And we're just going to go and kind of blend around that black. Bring that color back in here. It's always a good idea to go back through and bring those other colors back in. And it's also going to help blend out the darker shades too. And then again, if you want to go back through with that transition shade, but I'm not going to add any more color. Just whatever is left on it. Just go through one last time. And now I'm going to take a little bit more of that darker shade, Cliffhanger, on the E115, one of my favorite brushes for the lower lash line to really darken things up. And again, you could go a step further and take that matte black shade called Silicon Valley, which is from the second palette. So I'm going to apply this really close to the lower lash line, just to really get that smoky effect. I'm going to go back in with that contour brush and take a little bit of, what was it, Trolley, and just blend right underneath that dark color. Alright, I'm going to put a pencil on the waterline, and I think I'm just going to go with the good old-fashioned brown. This one is the Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil from Essence in 02, but first Espresso. It's just a matte brown. I'm really torn. I think I'm going to take a little bit of Alcatraz. It's a really pretty shimmer, this one right here. So let's see what this looks like on the lid. Yeah, it's like an antique color. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of High Street. So this is the one underneath Alcatraz that I put all over the lid. I'm gonna take a little of that and see what that looks like. We're just kind of experimenting a little. Okay, that one shows up a little bit better. So I'm just putting that over top. Ooh, yeah, this one's definitely very like gold looking. Just taking my brush and sweeping along the edge just so there's no harsh lines. Ooh, I love that. I love that. Really smoky, grungy. I love it. All right, so to highlight the inner corner, let's try Autograph. It's from the first palette. This does look more like Champagne Pinky. Champagne Pinky? That doesn't that doesn't sound right. Oh yeah, that'll work. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of High Street. Is that the one I used? Yeah. And I'm gonna mix that, I think, layer that over top. All right, so I think that's it for eyeshadow. I really want to try out one of these liners. So again, this is another holiday kit. It's the Shwing liquid eyeliner set, and these are all full-size products. This retails for $29, and again, it is a holiday, I don't know if it's exclusive, but they do sell this in a set. They were having 50% off during Black Friday, so if you missed that, you really missed out. So there's a blue, a gold, which maybe I'll do something with the gold. That might be kind of pretty. And then there's a black. So I'm gonna go in with the black shade, and these are so cute. The Balm packaging is adorable. So it looks like this, and these have a sponge tip applicator, and it's a very liquid formula. I haven't tried these yet. I did swatch them on my hand when these first came in the mail. And so it is a sponge. It is flexible. Let me hold my breath and try to do some liner here. Alright, so the liner wasn't too bad. I'm just not used to using a sponge tip applicator, so I kind of struggled a little bit. Had to go in with my NYX matte liner to kind of correct it. But overall, it dries down super quick. It's very, very matte black, and I like that it's matte black and it dries down quickly. So to finish off this look, I'm going to do some mascara. I'm going to apply the Too Faced Better Than Sex, curl my lashes, And I'm really excited to try out one of these today. We have brand new Too Faced false lashes. You guys know I love me a good strip of lashes. So I have 4 different ones to choose from. Let me know if you want a review on these. I don't know if it's something you guys are interested in, just because I am doing quite a few reviews this month, but yeah, I don't know which pair I'm gonna go with. Alright, so while I wait for the mascara to dry, and then we'll pop on some lashes, but let's pick out a lip color. I'm going to use one of these little mini lipsticks, liquid to matte lipsticks from the Balm. And again, these are part of their little holiday sets. They come in multiple different styles. Again, I really want to do a lip swatch video on these because I think they're absolutely stunning. So I don't know if I want to go really dark with the lip color today, or do I want to go kind of nude? I was wearing the Lauren Conrad lip gloss. I love this because it's like super moisturizing. Even though it's a gloss, I love to like let it sit on my lips while I do my makeup. This is the color Thoughtful. Look how cute. These are so adorable. Little itty bitty liquid lipsticks, and you get a lot of product. Look at that, so cute. And this is a nice nude color. Okay, love this color. All right, I'm gonna let that dry, pop on some lashes, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here is the finished look. I had so much fun playing with these new holiday palettes from the Balm Cosmetics. So my thoughts on these palettes, I think they're beautiful. I also really love that the Balm is starting to go more eco-friendly. I think they're slowly switching all of their packaging to cardboard so it can be recycled. So if you notice on the front of the palettes, it says clean beauty and green packaging, and when you open it up on the inside, it says size matters, so reduce your carbon footprint, please recycle this packaging. On the back of both of these palettes, you can see these little cutout holes, and they're kind of shiny, and what you do is you push from the bottom of the palette to get the eyeshadow pans out so you can recycle the packaging. So I really love that the Balm is starting to do that. Even with like their blushes, they sent over some blushes as well. They're slowly like switching everything over to more eco-friendly, so I think that's fantastic. So both these palettes are about the same size. They each contain 8 eyeshadows. I'm so sorry I don't have a price for you guys, but usually their palettes are around the $20 or $30 mark. So I imagine they're probably going to be around $29 or maybe $35 each. Again, cardboard packaging, and you just kind of flip this little thingy here at the bottom. There's no mirror on the inside. It's just really beautiful cardboard packaging. I love the Balm because it has kind of that vintage feel. So the Balm and the Beautiful is what these two palettes are called. You have episode 1 and episode 2. So with the first palette, we have Cut, Green Screen, Autograph, Makeup Artist, Roll Credits, Red Carpet, Chick Flick, and Cliffhanger. So in this palette, there's 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. You have a nice variety between transition colors. Cliffhanger is a nice deeper shade to really smoke out the outer V. That's the one I used to kind of smoke out this look today, to kind of deepen and add more contrast. So I actually really like this palette. The formula on both of these are really smooth, creamy, and beautiful. I think they swatch really nicely. They feel so smooth and buttery to the touch, and they blend like a dream. I mean, I had hardly any issues blending these shadows. They layer over each other really nicely. And I know that these aren't super bright palettes, but I think if you're looking for really good everyday palettes to do like a smoky eye or an everyday look, you've come to the right place. Like, they've got you covered. So definitely the episode 1 palette leans more, I think, kind of neutral. You do have some warm shades, like Makeup Artist is definitely a warm crease shade. Cut is more of that like mauvey pink color, which I love those type of tones. Roll Credits is a beautiful like cool tone shimmer. I can't wait to use that one. Overall, really like this one. Let's take a look at the other palette. So this palette, unlike the first one, episode 2, definitely a lot more depth. It's a warmer palette. The color's a little bit more richer. a little bit deeper. I feel like you could do a really beautiful warm smoky eye with this. There's a nice matte black in here, and this palette does have more mattes than the other palettes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes in here and just 3 shimmers. So in this palette we have Fog, Lambert Street, Napa, Alcatraz, Silicon Valley, Golden Gate Bridge, Trolley Car, and Height Street. So I love the names in here. It's definitely, you know, giving you that kind of city vibes, Golden Gate Bridge and everything. So really cute names. Really love, again, the formula is just so nice. They're pigmented, they're rich, the mattes blend so nicely in the crease. And then you got a nice, you know, not a huge variety in this palette. Again, it's more like smoky, kind of grungy, everyday glam type of palettes. Again, I really like this palette. Great formula. I feel like both palettes performed really nicely. So if you're looking into trying the Balm Cosmetics, they're eco-friendly. I believe these palettes are vegan as well. At least that's what they told me before sending this out. These will be launching soon, and I will put a link down below in the description box, again, with everything that I'm wearing on my face if you guys want to know. And that's it. I don't know what else to say. I think the quality is amazing. I think these palettes are super cute, and I love that they're eco-friendly. You can recycle the packaging once you're done using up all the shadows. So that's everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this first impressions, trying out some holiday makeup, and I definitely have more videos coming your way. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, and yeah, I guess that's everything. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. My links are always down below. And of course, subscribe if you're new. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays, usually every week. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.